What is the cause of all the sufferings in life? As fever cannot be overcome unless we know its cause. Similarly, all the suffering cannot be avoided permanently unless we know the cause. The cause of the suffering and the dukkha or the grief. And we say it is ignorance. But ignorance is a wrong notion, false notion that we have created since our birth in our life to get. And that causes the suffering. So how to remove that cause? By discernment. What is the discernment? Find out what is real and unreal. Separate unreal from the real. I just explained you're asking the same question. What is that ignorance which causes the suffering? What do I understand? Who am I? I am the body, mind, breath, intellect, I thought. And that is false. That is the wrong notion. So as long as we keep the wrong notion in the mind, that will continue to cause the suffering. It is an understanding what exactly is non-self or the false self and what is the real self. So what is the method to remove suffering? One word, it says sadhana. Sadhana means employing those means, or simply, I do not know, let me understand. So once I understand it, followed by the practice. So what I do not understand, it has to do with our ignorance. And what is the ignorance? Ignorance about the real self. By understanding what is the false self is the problem. What we need to do? Know it by Eastern wisdom. Find out who we are. We are the real self. Peace, happiness, love, and wisdom.